Helpful tips about how to make money online that are simple to follow. Would you like to make some extra money online? Perhaps you have the desire to making money online full-time. The internet is full of opportunities. However, you need to discern the legitimate opportunities from the bad ones. This video will help you think through your options and make the best choice. Watch for scams. Although there are many opportunities online, there are some dishonest sites as well. Read reviews of any plan you want to implement in your online strategy before you sign on the dotted line for anything. When planning how to make money working online, never put all your eggs in one basket. Keep as many options open as possible, to ensure that you will always have money coming in. Failure to plan like this can really cost you if your main site suddenly stops posting work or opportunities. Build a schedule for your daily activity. Your income is absolutely tied to working hard daily. You will not get rich overnight. You will need to work every day. Determine a time frame in which you work each and every day. Even just an hour in a day can mean that you do well or fail. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. One great way to make money online is to write. If you have the talent and ability to write well with few or no grammatical and spelling errors, many people will want your services. Writing jobs can be anything from rewriting badly written information to writing all new, original information and more. You can also make money by writing your own content for a blog or video directory by making good use of keywords and opening an account with Google AdSense. Tutoring is a business that is booming these days. So, if you want to work at home, consider e-teaching. If you are well versed in a particular area, it is possible for you to become a tutor via a website such as Tutor Vista or Smart Thinking. If you enjoy it, you may find other avenues for this choice. There is no secret in making a lot of money online. You just have to make sure that you are getting reliable information like what you see here. Make a goal for yourself and work toward it. Do not forget what you have learned here as you start your money-making venture on the web. Student loan.